G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. It's been a busy and exciting week this week, so let's jump straight into it. So in this tutorial we are going to look at how to put a person or an object image within a frame and then make it pop out of the frame. So let's get started. Go to Elements. We'll pick a circle frame. So insert that into the background there. We'll use this excited young woman with arms raised. Okay, so what we'll do here is we will duplicate, move over to the side. The first one we will drop in there. We'll double click on the frame. We'll move it up and just extend it out a bit. Move it into the center roughly. And click out of that crop area, expand area. Then what we want to do with this one is go to Edit Photo, remove the background. So when you see the tick up here near the cloud, it will indicate that it's saved the changes, as you can see there. And what we want to do is then move this one over the top of this one. So if we grab that with the mouse and move it over, you can see that it jumps into the frame. So we'll move it out there. So to not have that happen, press the Control key and then drag it over the top, line it up roughly, and there you go, the image doesn't drop into the frame. So we'll just drag that down. Patiently line that up. Press the Control button. Alright, we'll check just to see if that's lined up there. Go to Transparency. Drop the transparency. And you can see that that looks pretty much okay. Alright, so we'll keep the transparency up. We'll come down to the bottom here and just crop the page. And in the process, just do a double check. Right, and there you have it. A image within a frame and popping out. So just to add a little bit more variety to this one, what we can do, tidy up around here. Okay. And we'll come over to Share. We'll go to Download. We'll go to Download. So if you've got multiple pages, just make sure that you check the right page. We'll come here and we'll go one, go save. We'll just add a new page. Come over to Uploads. Go to Upload Files. Design number 1 there. Open. We'll wait for that to upload. Click on it and we'll come over to Edit Photo, remove background, wait for the tick. Alright. If you don't wait for the tick, maybe something might happen with the file when it's being edited. Alright, we'll just make this slightly a bit bigger. Alright, the other thing I was going to show you is come over to shadows here, click on shadows, and we're going to put an outline around it so you can see that that's a fairly thick outline at number 25. So you can drop it down to 8 to 12, somewhere around there. Change the color. I'm going to change it to yellow. Alright, for this tutorial, leave the others as they are. Change that to yellow, change. Alright, and there you have it. Outline around the lady in the image and popping out of the frame. Okay, well thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Hope you had fun and learned something, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.